Welcome back, Excel enthusiasts. Today at TubeShaala, we are going to explore another dimension of data validation in Excel. In the previous video, we have learned the usage of len function to determine the length of a string in Excel. In case you have missed watching the first part of the video, you can find the link of the video by pressing the I button here at the top corner of the video. Also, I shall leave the link of the part 1 in the description. Now we now we shall validate that the last four characters of the company data are numbers or not. Now how do we do that? We shall first check and identify the last four characters of the company code by using the write command. Here I mean that we need to read the last four characters of the company code. The syntax of applying the function is equal write within brackets the address of the cell wherein the company code is resident, comma 4 for the last four characters, bracket close, and then hit enter. Excel will immediately give us the result as 2345 as these are the last four characters in the company code. This is how Excel identifies the last four characters in the company code. Next, we need to check whether the last four characters of the company code is a number or not. Again, we shall get the answer in true or false terms. Now, we shall check the same formula together with isNumber command so as to validate if last four characters of the company code are numeric or not. The syntax used here is equal isNumber within brackets write within brackets the address of the cell wherein the company code is resident, that is A13, comma 4 bracket closed. But to our surprise, though Excel gave a reply as 2345 in the last query we put in, here it gives a false as the answer, whereas we were expecting true to be the answer. This is happening because Excel is treating this as a string as it is enclosed within inverted commas. You can check it by pressing the F9 button. See in the zoomed circle, you will find 2345 enveloped within inverted commas. To overcome this, we use another Excel function called value together with isNumber to avoid the error. Hence, now the function becomes is equal to isNumber within brackets value again within brackets write within brackets A13 comma 4 all the brackets closed, and as soon as we hit enter we get the result as true. This is how we use write function in Excel to validate the data to check whether the last four characters of the company code are numbers. And there you have it. Using true or false statement, we can efficiently validate data in Excel and ensure its efficiency. That's all for today, Excel wizards. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel tips, and join us on our journey to spreadsheet success. Stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks. Until next time, thank you very much. Thanks for watching.